Sage Business Cloud versus Xero, which is better for cloud-based accounting? That's the big question today, and it's something I get asked all the time. Both Sage Business Cloud and Xero have solid reputations in the world of cloud-based accounting, but which one really stands out? By the end of this video, you'll know the pros and cons of each, and I'll share a little surprise for you if you're looking for the best possible accounting software. Let's start with Sage Business Cloud. Sage has been around for decades, and they've really focused on making cloud-based accounting accessible for businesses of all sizes. One of the standout features of Sage is its scalability. Whether you're a freelancer or running a larger company, it offers a range of pricing plans to match your needs. You get everything from basic bookkeeping features to more complex financial reporting, which is a big plus for growing businesses. Next thing, let's talk user experience. This is where things start to get a little tricky. While Sage is powerful, the user interface can feel a bit dated and overwhelming, especially if you're new to accounting software. It's not as intuitive as you might hope, and some of the processes can take a while to get used to. So, while it's great for businesses that need detailed reporting, it might not be the best choice if you're looking for something quick and easy to learn. Now, moving on to Xero. Xero has a reputation for being super user-friendly. If you're a small business owner or even a freelancer, the setup process with Xero is a breeze, and the interface is very modern and intuitive. It's a great choice if you don't want to spend too much time learning how to navigate your software. You can get started with invoicing, bank reconciliation, and basic accounting tasks quickly. However, Xero does come with its own set of issues. The first thing I'll mention is that some users report glitches with bank feeds, which can be a hassle if you rely on real-time data. Xero's customer support, while generally helpful, can sometimes be slow to respond, especially if you're on the lower tier plans. So, while it's user-friendly, you might find yourself frustrated if you run into technical issues. The next thing to note about Xero is its pricing. Xero's lower tier plans are competitively priced, but once you move up to the higher tiers, it can get pretty expensive, especially if you need additional users or advanced features. For businesses on a budget, this might feel like a bit of a stretch. The fourth thing I'll mention is automation. Both Sage Business Cloud and Xero offer automation features, but Xero's automation tends to be a little more streamlined and easier to set up. This is great if you want to automate invoicing or recurring payments, but again, it's not perfect. Some features, like custom reports, can be a bit limited compared to Sage's offering. Next up, integrations. Both Sage Business Cloud and Xero offer a wide range of integrations with third-party tools, from payroll to CRM software. Xero has a slightly larger selection of apps available, which might make it the go-to choice if you need specific integrations. But again, both platforms are decent in this area, so it's mostly down to what kind of integrations you're looking for. At this point, you might be thinking, okay, but which one is better overall? The truth is, both Sage Business Cloud and Xero have their strengths, but they also have their limitations. Sage is great for larger businesses that need deep financial reporting, but the user experience is a bit more complex. Xero, on the other hand, excels in ease of use, but it can be pricier and has occasional technical issues. So, while both of these options are solid, after trying them myself, I have to say that there's a better alternative if you're looking for the best overall cloud-based accounting solution. If you want to get a full-featured accounting system without the frustrations, check out the free trial in the description. Through our link, you'll get exclusive benefits and the best deal available. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.